Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make GIF as your Chrome background. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open Chrome, go on the search bar and type here whatever you want to download as GIF. For example, I want to download Jujutsu Kaisen as my GIF. So type the name of any object, thing, video, image, anything, and after that just type GIF. Okay, now search it. Go over here on images, select any one of these GIF. I'm going with this one. Now right click with your mouse and click on save image as. Name this image. Click on save. Now open new tab. Go over here on customize Chrome on a bottom right corner. Click on it. Now go on change theme. Click on upload an image. And now upload the GIF. As you can see, the GIF is uploaded. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.